and they can.
Dattatri, are you able to hear me? Nathan here.
Yes, sir. Sir, good afternoon, sir. Are you able to hear, sir?
Yes, I am able to hear you. Very
Thank
nice
you,
to see you, sir. Very nice to see you.
If they
Thank
enable
you,
a
thank
video
you.
also, we
Thank
can see. If
This is okay, sir. Not necessary. We are seeing otherwise also.
Sir, that he is Mr. Raju Buddala, sir.
Yes, sir. I spoke to him, Jai Shri. I spoke to him about 1 hour back, sir. Jai Shri introduced. Sir, very nice to see you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your attendance today, and you are doing a lot of good work. We appreciate that.
Yes,
Many
sir.
people are
With
saying.
something we want to do. Let us see.
Yeah, and we will. So far, 13 people joined. Can we start, sir?
Yes, sir. I am ready.
Okay.
Yeah, it is.
So it is our privilege to initiate this one. We are from IPQC side. We welcome you people, and we welcome our guest today, Sri Bengaluru Vidwan Dattatri. He is actually a professional music professional. His education background is basically BCom and computer and multimedia.
2 minutes.
And he started learning this music with fashion at the age of 42. He started his music journey, vocal music, and he's taken this as a full-time career at the age of 48. And he is driving this initiative, and is actually organized many programs in the music, especially is heading the Kala Saurabha Foundation in Bengaluru, and he is the founder and chairman of Kala Saurabha Foundation. And many programs they initiated under this platform, basically fine arts related. All is taking this initiative to online also now. There is across the world people can participate in these programs, online programs. Recently they launched 3 programs. One is drawing related, and Sanskrit classes, online classes, and music is the one thing also initiated. Three initiatives online they initiated. It is fantastic initiative, especially for many people. It's a time to build. It is a dream to basically for many Indians, learning a classical music is a dream, and rarely they get an opportunity. So I thank you, sir, for this wonderful opportunity. For millions of people, probably they can use this because it's online and it is affordable. And it's a small initiative to conduct this webinar for the benefit of the people. We have taken up this. Please go ahead, sir. Sir, I request sir to take over now. Hello.
Thank you, Raju.
Thank you.
So ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ sir. Audio mute ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ.
Audio just
all the best for the webinar. Very nice.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
All the best. Balakrishnan here.
Okay.
So you can mute.
Balakrishnan from?
I'm not getting the video. Is it muted?
Yeah.
Okay. Fine. Thank you.
So please proceed.
I'm not able to see their faces, of course.
The attendees, you want to see their faces, you can their respective people.
Gentleman is still talking.
Please go ahead, sir.
Okay.
Sir, good evening to all.
Good evening.
And initially I would like to thank IPQC Consulting Services because they are doing many works related to from manufacturer suppliers to service providers and customers. They have done many webinars like this to conduct our sales and to improve businesses to the whole world. So even Mr. Raju is also one of the Apna team member. So I thank that IPQC Consulting Services. So initially, I want to introduce myself as Mr. Raju told. This is Dattatri. I was a graphic designer. I was working with many advertising agencies. Since 1996, I'm into this. I was working with the Standard Fireworks in Shivakashi as a printing and designing head. At the age of 42, that is on 2008, I started learning classical, Karnataka classical vocal as a passion. Because since from my childhood, I used to sing cinema songs and got the many prizes. But at the time, there was no parental guidance, or we don't know that we can pursue the profession in this line. Sir, somebody can mute the because it's giving a echo effect. Hello. So there will be a question and answer session. At that time, we can unmute the thing and then we can interact. So when I started in 2008, just as a passion, after 2 years, my guru told that you can start a classes and you can perform. So till now, I have performed more than 150 to 200 concerts, which I never dreamt even before 6 to 7 years. So now, if you see my career, from the last 2 years, I am full-time profession as a tutor and the performer. So this is my personal career as such. The musical journey is concerned. So my passion is converted into my profession. Meanwhile, from 2012, we have started an organization called Kala Saurabha Foundation to start an international school for MAD, music, art, dance. So we started a small classes in Malleshwaram. Right now, we are running a small Gurukula where we are teaching Karnataka classical, drawing, and Bharatanatyam. So this is the beginning of our organization. The organization's soul was to establish a unique global monument as university for all performing. Just I want to show the module of that building which we dreaming to achieve. This is the one. This is the one we want to make it. This is called a Rudraveena, and this is a Kala Saudha. We named it. This will be established in Karnataka, that too in Sringeri region. This was the dream. So keeping this in mind, we started our organization, and fortunately, the last 3 years, we came to a very big organization, international network organization is Apana, where the founder, Mr. Nathan and Mr. Shankaran, promoting Indian business to world level. This is the platform where many Indian companies, Indian services, Indian base should reach global. This is the dream of Mr. Nathan and Shankaran. When I talk to this person, till that, I never dreamt I can pursue to reach this one. Because the dream was born in 2011, but till 2017 or 18, I have kept it in a drawing format in my bag. But when I entered into Apana, with the support and guidance of Nathan and Shankara, now it is becoming to take a shape. On the whole, I would like to say this is our organization. But this organization or this objectives should be met with thousands of people, lakhs of people. Because this project require more than 200 to 300 crores. But before that, we want to meet people to convey this message that we are doing this. Because in this Kala Saudha, it is a patronage center for art. Thousands of lakhs of students would come and learn all their performing arts in this center. In all over the world, how the Hindus believe that every Hindu should go to Kashi and take a dip in Ganga river. Like that, in all over the world, every artist should think after 50 years, he should visit Kala Saudha either to teach or to learn or to perform. This is our dream. So for this, we have taken a path to reach many people. We have so many things to discuss with you because there are so many things happening surrounding us regarding land, regarding the plan, everything is happening. But our base is the artist. Actually, the main subject today is online musical classes. Since I am teaching a music, I am taking this as a musical class. Since 2011, we are teaching many people. More than 200 people, 2 students learned. Some are become a performers. And our tagline is to say that we create performance. For any person, if they have a wish to learn music, I can guarantee you within 3 years you can become a performer. Only thing is you need to give your effort and your time. Because I am the example of, because I started in 2008. In 2011, I gave one first concert. I know the route, how should go. It's a hard route, a tough route, but still anyone can. And in our motive, in our Gurukula, Kala Saurabha Gurukula, we want to give a career-oriented guidance, career-oriented training. Many people does not think we can live our life with a performing art. Either it may be a music, or it may be a dance, or it may be a drawing. If you see today's parents, if any child writing a very good painting, they may not think that he can do a life in his style. So that is the scenario. But we strongly recommend, if you are really sincere, if you are really focused, we can definitely guide you into make a professional in your life you can live your life with your passion, with your learning, with your skill. Because for any business, the initial hindrances will be there. If you complete a BCom or a BA, you cannot get a 25,000 rupees salary at the first job. You have to wait for 3 to 4 years, 5 years. Like same rules apply here in musical. But unfortunately, so many people doesn't know the knowledge. Yes, we can take this as a profession. In our Gurukula, we focus on that. This is a passionate, a well-trained, and a focused gurus are in our. So coming to the point, thanks to the crisis, the social crisis in Corona, it has changed many people living style, and it is teaching every day a lesson. Like that, as a professional music teacher, I took this as a challenge where I am teaching more than 30 students in a regular basis in our Gurukula. When I opted to and requested to all our students, can you come online? So immediately 15 to 20 students came into online. Initially, it was challenging for me also, because the technicalities of Swarasthana or Tala, how I can teach. But the technology, the crisis has taught me a lesson to get on from this challenge. So right now, I am very proud to say we got more than 35 students now online, and in that, around 12 to 13 people are new persons, which I have never seen in a physical forum. So keeping this in mind, last week I discussed with Mr. Raju, a managing partner of IPQC Consulting Services. He told he is serving many people, many businesses to give a customer to them. So when I requested him, so he told, sir, we'll take on chance to meet these people, meet the people. Now, with this background, with this focused goal, with an online experience, I am requesting you all to that you can also join. You can also join this bandwagon. Because one survey says all over the world, the human being, every human being, each one is instincted to any one of performing art format. Somebody like music, somebody like drawing, somebody like Yakshagana, somebody like Villupattu, somebody like Bharatanatyam, somebody like Kathak. They might not be learned or they might not be taken as a profession in that one. But everybody has inclinations. So what I would like to say here is, in our webinar subject, we have given, you can start the music at age of any number, any age wise. Because I am a burning example, I started at 42. Normally, people will have the notion that I was studied in my 10th standard, I learned some music and I passed junior, but I left it. If I ask them, why don't you continue now? No, how I can? No, I am very old now, I am aged. So all these people I am suggesting, what's your age? If your age is 40 or 42, you start this as a small parallel line. In due course of time, after 3 or 5 years, you will come to one stage where this curse will not be there. Because I suffered this curse, I was complaining myself till my age of 42. I have a voice, I didn't have a knowledge. So it is an opportunity, we are opening the opportunity to at any age to start. Or else, even after 5 years, you will be saying the same dialogue. No, I studied with my grandfather and my mother is not supported. and I studied till junior. So to break that, you can start at any time, because after 3 years or 5 years, like if I say my personal example, if I have not started learning in the 2008, what would be my position in Corona case? If you see, from the beginning, from the lockdown first week, I started. Now I am teaching more than 35 students, and I am busier than the regular days. So this is the scenario. We don't know where it leads. It may be a small decision today. Even I took a small decision at that time to just learn as a passion. Now it is giving me food to me. So we don't know what's our caliber or how the situation is. Like that, I promote this concept who are all visited here, and thanks to all your time and your participation, I am promoting this. Why don't you learn? Take a call. For that, we have so many things how you can enter into music. Right from the beginning, we have a 30 hours course. I would like to share one poster to you. In that 30 hours course, you can start as a trial. You can take a trial. After 30 hours, you can decide. You might have it. You may be having a wish. I want to become a singer. I want to become a playback singer. Like, but if you don't have a capability, you cannot live with your wish. Or if you live with wish, it is not any useful. So what we suggest, you take a trial of 30 hours. Because if somebody wants to take as a profession or take as a full-time one, they might have some they're afraid of, so we don't know how to start. Or it may be some more sadhanas. I have to spend more times to music like that. For that people, we are offering one crash course. After 30 hours, you decide whether you have to continue or not. That's our question. So just I want to share one of my poster. What's our offer in crash course? So you can see, music lover, listeners too. Do you want music lovers or listeners? Why I put the listeners means listening to the music is also an art. I don't know how many people I don't know. Want to become a performing artist, creating an opportunity to leverage your capability. Do you want to enter into the world of music? Do you want to check your ability in music? Do you want to know how to listen music? Do you want to become a trainer in music? Do you want to become a professional? A team of professional trainers headed by Bangalore Vidwan Datta, that is me, introducing a classical course, vocal prathamik level. You see, this 30 hours package contains basics of music, some theory part. We give course material either in Kannada or English, whatever language you want. Knowledge of octaves, participation certificate, 4 types of talas, 2 devarnamas, 2 light music, 2 filmy with a karaoke background. And we teach practicing method. We teach by-hearting method, because many people doesn't know how to by heart. Many people doesn't know how to practice. How to do a practice. If you are spending a 1 hour for practice, What should be the first 20 minutes? What should be the second 20 minutes? What should be the first 10 minutes? And we give a career orientation guidelines and stage performing etiquettes. There is a more difference between taking a training as cities from a group and stage performing. Stage performing is just like a playing arena of an artist. That will teach you. To whom? School students, college students, in apartments, housewives, corporate sector, Bhajana Mandalis. Where this poster has been done before the lockdown. So at your place, premises, auditorium, we can put that. Now we can put that as a online, Zoom or Skype or WhatsApp or Google Duo. When? At your convenience. Duration is 30 years. This is our one of the offering. It may be a entry level, or if somebody wants to learn more than that, anytime you can walk in. And we run certificate courses. We run workshops with a specific agenda, like for Pancharatna Kritis, for Purandara Dasa Navaratnamalas, for one raga, or to learn one varna, or one attatala varna. The standard, it may be from a starting of a crash course to the higher level of what you want, what level you want. That sources, that much resources we have. So I would like to invite you all this world of music, because when Mr. Raju Buddala, the IPQS QC Consulting Services marketing partner, told me who are all entered here is, it is voluntarily wish, who voluntarily coming in. I am saying more than 16 people in this meeting. I am thankful to you for your time and the listening. So, with this background, as my personal background, as my organizational background, as our goal to establish a university, global university for all performing arts, because the process is on. There are so many things to share with you, people. Before 2025, we want to accomplish that one. From there, we want to rule the whole world of art and culture in all over the world. So for this, it is an opportunity. You to be a member, you to be a candidate, you to be a person, to be one of a person in this big mission. Because we need teachers also, who are all sitting here, who wants to learn music now. In another 3 to 4, 5 years, you can become a teacher. You can make your profession. Kala Saudha may need your skill, your services. So it is just like the empire will not build in a day. This empire will build by stone, step by step, minute to minute, a person to person. We are here today, 16 people. I don't know, in Kala Saudha after 2025, everyone will be sitting in a cabin, making a timetable of whole world music fraternity. I don't know. This is my dream to you be with me. This is my request and my introduction or our focus. So with this one, I am requesting you all, if you are interested in learning music, please join with me. Please join with us. So with this introductory session, I would like to open a forum, this forum if you want any answers from me, any clarifications from me, or any more information regarding this, because we have till 5 o'clock, till we have a slot to that one. Please unmute yourself and you can ask any type of question, any number of questions. I will answer. So thanks for the listening. Thanks to Mr. Raju, IPQC Consulting, and all our participants.
Request members to mute their mic. So there are a lot of disturbance is coming. Please request to mute their mic.
Anyone, any person can ask anything. And one person, Mr. 1 second. Let me check the chat. Mr. Manjunath, he is asking what are the fee structure. So fee structure will differ from the content or your subject. Like you are starting from the beginning, and if there is a student, there is a different slot, and for an employee, a different slot. If people know something, like they know some music background and some completed juniors, the fee structure will differ from the subject. I have to talk to them. I have to check them. What is their caliber? What is their background? This is the related to fee. Mr. Manjunath asked in a chat box that what's the fee structure. But I have to talk personally because I have to check their capability, their voice, and from where they are going to start. If it is a beginning, the price will be there, will be differ. If they are having some background, the price will be different. And if they are interested in a crash course, the price will be there. Or they are going for any certification, like, sir, in 3 months, I want to learn 10 Devaramas, the fee will be different. The basic fee, I want to start from the basic fees. The registration fee will be there for every courses, that is 1,000 rupees. And for all student category, the like from first standard to any VE engineering lecturer who was not earning member, for them it is 1,000 rupees. For earning members, employees and all, that is, for them it is a 2,000 per month. Weekly 2 classes will be there. This is our basic one. Basic, we are starting with a 0. This is the fee structure for all the student fraternity. It is 1,000. For employee who are earning member are there. For them it is a 2,000 rupees. It's a basic one. Apart from that, there are other things. Thank you, Mr. Manjunath. Is anyone wants to ask any? I think he's cleared about the fee structure. Anyone, anything, any clarifications, any questions? I'm ready to answer.
You can
definitely, Mr. One question is there from chat. Sir, you can unmute and you can directly ask, sir. Because some people are thinking that they are not unable to talk. And Mr. Ravi Arkalgood, I am not really interested to be a performing artist, but I would like to learn music with all sincerity so that I can appreciate. I am a total beginner. No issue, sir. Even I started like that only. Because in my mind, as a performing artist, I never dreamt. I dreamt that in next Janmam, I want to take a incarnation rebirth like Jesudas. So in this Janmam, I want to acquire the knowledge. The same thinking before 10 years, I am having the same is repeating Mr. Ravi Arkalgood. I am not really interested to be a performer. No problem. You can learn at any time, sir. but we would like to make you as a performing artist. You might not have a dream, but as my guru told, you start performing. We want to see you on stage. But if you are not interested, it's not a problem. You can learn as a passion, as a interest. It's open, because music is a first step. We should feel pleasure ourselves first, and the audience. Very good, sir. We can definitely make it. Any?
Sir, can you hear me? Narsimhan.
Yes, Narsimhan. Tell me, sir. Tell me. I can hear.
Sir,
I can hear you.
one question.
Yes.
In abroad, particularly in America and also
Okay.
in Mumbai, I had seen there were some experiments of music therapy.
Yeah.
Or some people who have some problems.
Yeah.
And even children and all that.
Yeah.
Is there any such thing available in your institution?
Yes, sir. Yes. In fact, when I told about this project, I expressed it twice or thrice that there are so many things to share with you. Incidentally or fortunately, we have that facility, sir. Because before 1 year, my uncle, Dr. S. Sridharan, he has come to Apana, and he is expert in giving a remedial cure to a patient with a specific ragas.
Exactly.
And he is expert in, as per your horoscope, he will give the ragas.
Okay.
He says, as per your horoscope, he will study and he tells Mohana Raga will be good for you. As per your Rashi and your Nakshatras, Shankara Varna may fit you, like that. So he's gone deep into that also.
Okay.
So it is not a general one, it's specific.
It requires a person who has got medical background as well as musical background. So
it requires, and he is that. Okay. It requires, and he is that. He is into a medical background and he knows music.
Right.
And if any person come, definitely with horoscope, he will suggest. But the patient need not be a musician. He listened to the ragas, he listened to the kacheris.
Yes.
It itself, we have that source also.
Okay, good. I think I'll discuss with you separately. Thank you.
Sure, sir. Sure. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Another question from Saroj Rao. We have seen that students are benefited during solving their maths problems. What do you have to say about music therapy? Yes, music therapy, there are two types. One is raga based and thala based. As far as thala is concerned, it's purely mathematical calculations only. When a person very good in thala performing, the mathematical calculations in his mind, like when they say simply say, if you say singing Sari ga ma pa da ni sa sa ni da pa ma ga re sa. This is actually one thala, one number of 8 beats. So this says the first speed is 1 swara for 1 beat. If you want to increase it with the same rhythm, you can double it. Sari ga ma pa da ni sa sa ni da pa ma ga re sa. But rhythm will be the same. With the same rhythm, we can increase that one. Sari ga ma pa da ni sa sa ni da pa ma ga re sa. Sari ga ma pa da ni sa sa ni da pa ma ga re sa. That is purely calculation based. And in that, so many things are there. What I am showing, it is only a preliminary one. If anyone wants to be expert in a talas, the mathematical, totally of mathematical things, it starts from 1 beat to 16 beats, 3 beats, 5 beats, 7 beats, like that. So mathematically also, any student can take help of this music. So if anything is there, we can.
Sir, again, Narasimhan.
Okay. Tell me.
It's not a question, but just a small request that you can also talk about the other things that you are offering, like arts and drama, and also other forms of instruments if you are training people.
Yes. So basically,
flute, violin.
Yeah. Basically, true. As far as Kala Saurabha Foundation is established to establish an international school. Music, art, dance means we are teaching everything. We have a violin master, we have a flute master, we have a Hindustani, we have a Bharatanatyam, we have a Kathak. We have a bundle of sources. Since today the subject is telling that online Karnataka classical music, so I am focusing on that. But Kala Saurabha Foundation is not only a music. We resource everything. We have a sitarist. We have a Hindustani flutist, Karnataki flutist. We have a Kathak gurus. We have a Hindustani guru. We have Veena guru, violin, mridanga, tabla. Everything is possible in Kala Saurabha.
Sir, when is the program starting date? Any specific dates you are having for the upcoming program?
Sir, good name, sir. Your good name?
I am Raju Gundala speaking.
Raju, sir. Tell me, sir. Yes. What is the question?
Any specific dates, starting date, end date? You are having any specific thing, or is
there
it
is
open?
It is open, sir. It is open. There is no end date to learn this one because still I am also learning. If you are interested in a specific course, like a crash course, we can set one date and end at any time. End at the required timings.
So that
and it is open. You can start today. You can start tomorrow. You can start any time.
Yeah, for many people, they think that some starting date, if it is there, they join in as a group or a batch, and probably.
No, sir, no, because since we believe in one-to-one teaching. So we are not doing any batch. Even in our physical, in live classes also, we teach one-to-one because we want to concentrate what their capability is. So here, for that purpose, we don't have any batch concept.
Okay.
Because normally what happens in the music, if it is any other training program or any teaching as such for IAS, CA like that, they will be sitting at 20 people, same similar lessons. It is related to their brains who are all receiving what they are. I don't know. But music, what happens? Music is a reproduction of the thing immediately. Performing art or reproduction is immediately after 1 month or 2 months, you should be able to sing something what I have taught you. It requires an immediate result. There's no exam for that. If you are going to a school, if you are going to a music class, after 2 months, at least you want to sing. People expect at least 1 Devarama, 2 Devarama. Like. So at that time, as a guru, what I suggest, I want to see their capabilities. Because in teaching also, there are so many simplest thing is there, toughest thing is there, varieties are there. As per their capability, we want to give. So here we don't have any batch concept. If anyone wants to join Sunday, because we have 2 classes. As per your time, we will give. So individual concentration, individual capability increase, and individual performances we would like to give, sir. Normally batch in it, this will not happen. We don't know who sings what and what they're taking, what their output. So there is no batch like that.
Okay. Fantastic, sir. Sir, one more question. What is the minimum age you take children for children?
Normally, the concept is there in performing arts. We don't know what's the minimum, because I am teaching a girl of who is going to LKG or UKG. Going. She catches very well what I say. Immediately she catches, she takes. But at the same time, there is some couple of students, some boys are there. They are 5th standard, they are 6th standard. They sit behind their mother. So here, more than the age, the criteria is the student should be capable of repeating what I say. One thing, that is a receptivity, and at least they should sit for 20 minutes. This is the criteria. If both is not fulfilled, even age of 40 also, we cannot make them to learn.
Okay.
So normally, I have a UKG student. Till the eldest person is 72 age. Now only he talked, Mr. Narasimhan. So that is our eldest student. From there, we have a variety of that. Only thing is, sir, here the receptivity and patience to sit.
Okay, fantastic, sir. And one more question is that deciding factor, age is learning thing. How
that for that, in fact, I wanted to share that also. I will take 1 or 2 free classes, sir. Let them not pay. I will take them. I will test them. After that, we can decide. Normally, for me, if they come to me for a couple of classes, I can I can judge. Okay, we can fully dedicate to them, or we can correct here and there. And some people, what happens? They will be having a wish, but they don't have a capability. Even that also I can recognize. I can suggest them.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. I think everybody is. Yes, Subhash Patil is want to. Please unmute, sir, and ask, sir.
Yes, sir. Good evening. I am from Pune.
Oh, Pune. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir. I was looking at this career for my grandson and granddaughter, as I told you earlier also. So in what way it will be helpful, because you will be having basic Karnataka music, no?
Yeah.
So, but they will, how they will be benefited by this?
No. What they want to study?
No. They are still small only, but I have planned for this thing. Now they are very. One is 2 years old and my daughter is 6 years old.
Just one. Let me talk to them, sir, first.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Okay, we'll see.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
So at the earliest means they learn fast. That is
that is there, sir. Because one of my student is there called Kriyansh and Hanvita. They are one is UKG, another is the 2nd standard. I seems. Initially, when I was teaching to them, their parents were very cautious. Sir, you are teaching this. They are unable to spell that word, sir. So I told them, don't worry, madam. You just see after 3 or 4 classes. So after 4 classes, they are surprised. Parents are surprised that children are spelling or they are pronouncing the word which they don't know, which the parent doesn't know. So that is there, sir. Normally, the child brain and child heart is a clean slate. Whatever we put, it catches.
Can you take up that question? Nivedita
Prasad. What will be the fee structure for the crash course? Crash course is contain of 30 hours. We can plan as per your time schedule, daily 1 hour or daily 1 hour of 30 days or weekly 2 days, like in 2 months. So that we can do. For that, it is a 5,000 rupees crash course. You will be getting a certification. If you are a very good in vocal, and if you learn more, we can give a small stage also. After that, you can pursue music regularly. We guide in all that.
Sir, the 5,000 includes the registration fee also?
Yes. For crash course, we inclusive of.
Okay, thank you.
After that, they want to pursue, they will come to a normal fee structure. There will be no registration for that also.
Yeah, that is okay.
Okay. If after crash course, if you want to pursue, if you want to continue, you are very capable of that, and we suggest that registration fee is not required for that candidates.
Okay.
Only monthly commitment.
Okay.
I think I'm almost.
Any other questions?
Excuse me, can I talk?
Yes, sir. Please, your good name, sir.
Ravi here speaking.
Ravi, tell me, sir.
Will be conducting this crash course online or
yes, sir. Yes. Now it is online. Actually, in my poster says, wherever you are, we come to there and teach you. But now the situation is not like that, so we teach online also.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. I think, sir, Raju,
can you speak about your fine arts degree or something you are planning to do? Can you?
That as an information I can give it here. As I told you about our project Kala Saudha. One second, I want to put that monument in front of you, because let it inspire everyone. So the journey is like this, sir. To all audience, I would like to inform, we are walking to this place in 3 phases. The phase number 1, in Malleshwaram, Vayalikal, we have our Gurukula, where we are going to renovate that one, and we are starting a fine arts course, drawing a course which is an equivalent to degree. After PC2, we are taking this, we are conducting these classes for 4 years, and as an added advantage, we are taking a recognition from the Hampi University for this. This will be starting from this year. If the lockdown has not happened, we would like to start it. It would have been started in July or August, but it may take another 2 or 3 months. But we are starting. This is our first phase, where we are expecting 70 to 75 students only. Will not take more than that. We are running in 2 batches. This is the first one. The second phase, we have 6 acres of land, where we would like to construct a small pilot project with a small Rudravina and minimum 150 to 200 students, where they can stay there and learn this course. For that, for music, for fine arts, for Bharatanatyam, gurus are ready. That will be starting from next year. That is, as per our schedule, it was 2021. If this continues, I guarantee from 2022 we are going to construct. Going to start there. That will be our second phase, where staying facilities will be there, and we are concentrating a residential teaching, training there. That is also 3 to 4 years of course in all format. This is our second phase that will be started. That will be starting in 2022. The place will be at Devalapura, where here from here it is 100 kilometers. It is a mini college. And our final goal, the establishment of Kala Saudha, that will be in Sringeri. We are already through with the land, about 10 acres. Here, the objectives and activities in Kala Saudha is patronage center for performing artists, sharing humanity through arts, free training to economically weaker section of the society, creating opportunity for special children, creating wide opportunities to all artists, opportunities to talents of rural sector. So here we will be having a training and education, as I told, 3 months, 6 months crash course full, and shows and events, national and international events, and library and art, gallery, museum. So these are this Kala Saudha consists of, just have a brief on this. This monument will be established in the state of Rudravina within a 10 acres of land. Approximately 2 acres basement is there. 9th to 10th floor will be there. Built area approximately 1.75 lakh square feet, surrounded by residential kutiras, classrooms, counseling hall in each, auditoriums, basic communities, museum. This will become a global monument, a proud monument, a proud university which will be established in Karnataka to lead the cultural and art fraternity of the whole world. This is our goal. We have set this goal. We have to complete before 2022. 2025. So we have set targets. These are our fantastic, our guiding team. Mr. Nathan Balakrishnan, Ashok Putian, Prakash Reddy, Mr. Nagesh. These are our this project related persons who are all expert in their own domain, who are all experienced. So this is our goal. So I want each one you to be a part of it, because this type of monument will not be established by a single man like me or a single organization like Kala Saudha. This should be a people movement. Each people, each person should contribute their time, their effort, if possible their money. This is our goal. So I request all of you, it's not only a joining to a music class. Joining to music class is a media, but be with us. We keep in touch with us. You can share these things with your friends, your families, who are all interested to learn music at any age. So with this note, I would like to conclude, and thanks to Epicus, I don't think any questions will arise or any clarifications required. So I would like to suggest you contact Mr. Raju Gundala for the further details. He will be our e-marketing partners.
I will share the video, sir. We will send the video link.
Sure, sir. Sure.
To all the participants, registered participants. And
sure, sir.
Anything correspondence or anything related, I will get back to you.
Thank you, Mr. Raju. Thank you, and thanks to all participants. My humble request.
Thank you, sir.
I have a humble request, and thanks to all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Balakrishnan sir. Thank you, Subhash Patil. Thank you, Amrit Jain. Thank you, Bala Saraswati R. Thank you, Narsimhan. Thank you, Nathan sir. Thank you, Pradeep.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you, everyone.
Okay, thank you, sir. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye. So, Raju sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
I will once we download this, we will
Sure.
share this video link. And any
Sure.
other thing, please let us know. We can help you.
Sure, sir. Sure.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Raju. Thank you.